Hello all my fresher engineering students. Today I am going to give you the exact 10 steps by which you can get a job in turnkey project planning and management companies. And if you follow my 10 formulas, which is a secret, you can earn up to 40,000 to 80,000 salary per month by learning project management software. Myself, Kaustup Panse from multinational company CADD Center Private Limited. I am also the founder of Freshers Engineering Community, and I am on a mission. Which mission? A mission where how fresher engineering community can earn lots of money by doing jobs in turnkey project planning and management company. See, let's start. How quickly can you become a project engineer? The first formula is create a goal card for your dream. Hello, all my fresher engineers, are you there? Listen to me very carefully, and I am damn serious about this. This video is only about those fresher engineers who have the guts to earn lots of money by working at a very good company. And I want all of you to be on absolutely one page. If you want to do a good job in an MNC company, then follow the exact steps that I'm going to tell you now. सबसे पहले, first of all, what you have to do is set your dream right now. And to achieve that dream, create the goal card now. My dear fresher engineers, if you have this dream that you want to become the project engineering job in an MNC company and with an absolutely high salary, then this webinar, this video will be a life changer for you. I want you all to set your dream right now, and that is, the dream should be, I want to become a turnkey project engineer. Do as it is what I am telling you now to do. Create a goal card now. Take a pocket size paper. It's very simple. Take a pocket size paper and write in your own handwriting. Remember, I repeat, you have to write it in your own handwriting. Check out as same given in the slide just beside the video. Put your name, and below your designation, just put it turnkey project engineer. And on the flip side, on the back side, write down your mission. What should be your mission? It should be a 3 bullet box. That is to get a project engineering job in an MNC company. And the third bullet box is 2 lakh salary. See, friends, you can take whatever salary you wish. It may be 40,000, it could be 80,000, it could be 1 lakh, whatever it takes to make you feel happy. I have taken 2 lakhs. It is just my personal choice. Remember, don't tick mark the bullet boxes. Just make it blank. When you achieve the first box, when you achieve the first mission, that is when you get a project engineering job, then put the tick mark. And when you get a job in a good multinational company, then put the second tick mark. And lastly, when you achieve the desired salary, in my case it is 2 lakhs, then put the final tick mark. Remember, you have to see this card daily and carry this card till you achieve your goal. Once you achieve this goal, straight away tear that goal card, and after that you know what to do. You have to again keep on creating a new goal card for what you want in your life. It is as simple as that, and nothing gets more simpler than this. And I want you all to create a goal card just now, and also write your goal card in the comment box. I want to really see how much you are serious about your career. Hello, are you listening? I want your goal card to be put in the comment box. I repeat, if you want to earn lots of money, then follow the exact steps that I am telling you right now. So right now, pause this video, create the goal card right now. This is a foolproof tested formula I've used in my career. It works amazingly for all my students and engineers. My dear fresher engineers, this is going to just change your life forever. Hello, are you there? I mean it. I want to see your goal card in the comment box. So stop watching this video right now, and I'm waiting for your comments to see your goal card. Okay guys, I trust you. You have definitely must have created your goal card. Trust me, by using formula, a lot of fresher engineers are working in the best of the MNC companies, earning lots of salary. Many people don't understand the power of the goal card. If you have still not created that goal card, create it now. Otherwise, you cannot achieve your dream. This is a foolproof tested formula. Right now or never. Finish the task now. Just as Nike would put it, just do it. Let's now move to the second formula. Second formula is about the top 100 companies. Now, in your mission statement, you have written that you want a job in the top MNC company. So I have given you the top 21 turnkey project planning and management companies like Tata Projects, Godrej, Praj, and many so and so, but you have to search for the top 100 turnkey project planning and management companies right now, just right now. But after completing the watching of this video, okay, understood what you have to do. You have to find the top 100 companies and go to their website and search for the segment they are expert in and what are these companies doing just now. After finding those 100 companies, look at the list and say with full confidence that I want to work in one of these top 100 companies. Guys, listen carefully. This makes your mission very, very strong. It will give you the energy and direction to achieve your goal. Hello, are you understanding whatever I am telling you to now? It will just going to be changing your life forever. Tie a knot now. जैसे हिंदी में कहते हैं अभी से गांठ बांध लो. You have to work for diamonds and not for gold. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to get a job in turnkey project planning and management company and earn lots of money. Now tell me, how does it sound? I am a fresher engineer. I have a dream to work in top MNC companies, but I don't know which are the best top 100 companies in which I want a job. Does it sound good? Absolutely no. Tell me, is it not a complete nonsense thing? And tell me how fresher engineer can get its dream job. So do what I am telling you. After watching this video, finish this task right away and also paste the name of your companies, 100 companies in the comment box so that I can also see and assure that my fresher engineers are on their path. And I know you all will do that. Trust me, this task will give you a lot of insights about these top 100 companies. Hello guys, I hope you are with me, and if yes, then type yes in the comment box and also write down mission accomplished. Pause watching this video and write down mission accomplished in the comment box. I want to see in the comment right now. I'm just waiting for you. Okay guys, I trust you. Let's move ahead. Trust me, it will be going to be very, very interesting for you. Let's look at the third formula, how to create the 50 plus project portfolio. Dear fresher engineers, trust me, this is the topmost key formula to crack any interview. If you want a job in these top 100 companies, then you should have your own project portfolio. Remember, these companies are only looking for talent. What are basically doing is they're hunting for talent only. So you're talking about project portfolio. It is completely similar to what you created in your college to clear a viva or a mock test, but this project portfolio is slightly different and it carries industrial projects. Every industry is going to use this for three purposes. First, to acquire new clients. Second, clients also send their project portfolio to notify what kind of project work is needed. And finally, both parties exchange project portfolio to specify exact work scope. So now I want you all should create your own portfolio known as 50 plus project portfolio by Kaustup Pansi. That's my name. You have to replace it by your own name. Don't get too much bothered about how shall you create your such project industrial project portfolio. I'm going to tell you soon. Now write down in the comment box that is 50 plus project portfolio by mentioning your name. That's how this video is going to be on track. And just do what I say. I'm waiting for your comments. Stop watching this video and just put the comments 50 plus project portfolio by mentioning your names. Okay guys, I'm going to trust you. Now you know the key success formula of cracking interview for top 100 companies. Now just imagine if you have this 50 plus industrial project knowledge, do what I say. Close your eyes for 5 seconds and imagine you have this 50 plus industrial project knowledge skills. Trust me, no one can stop you. Soon you become the star at job list. Pause this video and do what I am saying. I am waiting for you. Guys, after this 5 minutes visualization process, tell me how is it feeling? Is it not amazing? Yes, soon it shall become true. Okay, now let's move very exciting to the next formula. The fourth formula is create project portfolio on these top softwares listed to become project designers. Hello guys, there are many softwares, but these softwares are most demanding softwares in turnkey project planning and management industry. Note down the softwares in your notepad or in your diary. It's first is Microsoft Project, second is Primavera, third is PDMS, and fourth is Revit MEP. If you want job in these top 100 companies, then you should know this top project planning softwares. Now what I want is you go to the Google search and find all these software website links. Trust me, This will be a game changer for your life. I'll give you a short hint about this. See, why you need to find out software website link is it shall make you an expert in project engineer. You will be able to do planning of turnkey projects. You will be able to produce scheduling task of projects, do cost analysis of project, work time, cost and work estimation projects, and finally monitoring, controlling and tracking execution of the project. So now pause this video and find the website link of this top softwares, and I'm waiting for you. Okay guys, I just trust you and you're doing a great and fantastic job till now. I'll give you a detailed task which you'll have to do after completely watching this video. This will give you the complete direction to achieve your goal as quickly as possible. Let's move very quickly to the next formula. The next formula is the fifth formula. Let's understand what is the future of this in India and abroad, and how big opportunity there is in the design industry. Now I want you to imagine the job opportunities of these infrastructures. Now imagine you are working or a part of a building these type of infrastructure projects. Look at each corner of the slide that you can see and say loudly, I am a project engineer of these infrastructure projects. Say loudly, I am a project engineer of high-rise commercial building projects, of residential building projects. I am a project engineer of hospitals, university and school projects. So Indian economy, as you must be knowing, many of you watch the news, is moving from a 3.2 trillion economy to 5 trillion economy. So that's going to happen. A lot of FDI is also going to come and become a part of it. So infrastructure projects role is very big in building any country. 100% FDI is going to be open. There's going to be a lot of generated, a lot of jobs are going to be generated in the market. So okay, just let's move now to the sixth formula. See, the sixth formula is don't quit and fight for your destiny. 3 steps to change your life forever. This is a very important step to get you into an action. If you follow these steps, you will achieve your goal pretty quickly. But this is the most difficult part, where a lot of fresher engineers quit. I said quit, and this dream just ends here. Understood? So let's see quickly what are these 3 steps are all about. So this is the 7th formula. It is about action, about converting your dream into your goal. So the first is learn project management softwares from an expert. Second, take project experience while learning on those softwares. And finally, prepare so that you can clear the technical interview. As simple as it is, but very few fresher engineers can have the courage to fulfill this dream, and this is the right time for you. If you have the guts that my dream is the most important for me and it is my responsibility to make it complete, so say loudly, I'm going to see my goal card each day and I shall take every action to fulfill my dream. Okay, you may have a question now. Where is the expert training institute? And in that institute, how can I create my 50+ projects portfolio? Yes, just give me a second. I will give you the complete answer. But before that, tell me, did you get value till now? Yes, definitely you got lots of value. So what I want is just type value, and what is the value that you found in the video till now. By watching this video, or whatever value you have got, just put it in the comment box. Do it now. I would really love to see your comment. Write down what value of importance did you learn till now. Hurry up, stop watching the video, just pause it and type value in the comment box and write down what value you got till now. Okay guys, I'm sure you got lots of value from this video. I'm also, just for your information, I'm also the founder of Fresher Engineers community, and I'm on a mission that every fresher engineer can earn lots of money by doing job in turnkey project management companies. So now you have to share this video link to your WhatsApp and Facebook. Be the part of this Freshers Engineers community. Share the video link now. I know you will all share this video link. Yes, please do it for our Fresher Engineers community. I'm waiting for you, and just do it. Okay, I'm absolutely sure that you must have shared this video. Now let's say which is the expert training institute in which you can create this 50+ project portfolio. But before that, I want to know what you believe and what are you through. Guys, listen to me very, very carefully. Your one single incorrect or wrong belief will stop you from your destiny. Yes, one single misplaced wrong belief will stop you from achieving your destiny. And I want you that you should get every belief correct. And just now, listen to my eighth formula. The eighth formula is based on belief. See, guys, only degree isn't enough in this market where 1.2 lakh engineers are produced every year. This degree is just not enough, and I don't want to blame the education system, but this is just what the reality everyone has to face. This education system just doesn't provide industrial practical skill. Your engineering degree cannot give you a 1 lakh salary job. My dear fresher engineering student, if you want to achieve your destiny, then do what I am telling. The infrastructure industries, these top companies don't spend a rupee on you. They don't have the time to do that. What they want is that the employees should be skilled to handle their industrial projects. Remember, the only rule that is followed is skill is equal to money. As simple as it is. You have the skill, then you shall be paid at the highest salary level. Understood? Let's move on to the ninth formula, that is what kind of mistakes should you avoid. See, please avoid all these foolish mistakes, my dear fresher engineers. Please awake now. This is my request to you. Please awake now. A lot of you talk about the distance. Company and training institute is very far from my home. Imagine you get a job in one of these top companies, and then are you going to say that this company is far from my home, where I stay, from the place that I say? Listen carefully. I want you should earn lots and lots of money. Listen carefully. You have to earn a lot of money, and for that I want that you should work for the best top MNC companies and each corner of the world. To achieve your destiny, you have to get out of your home. I mean it. Right now, follow my step, then only you shall achieve your goal. Similarly, if you want to learn from an expert institute that will give you a 50 plus industrial project knowledge, which shall enable you to crack your job interview, you have to go to the institute place, and institute is definitely not going to come to your home. Remember, this is a success formula, and I mean it. Wherever you live, step out from your home and take action. You'll definitely shall find the ways where you shall live and eat. In Hindi, there's a very famous phrase which says, "Zindagi अपना रास्ता ढूंढ ही लेती है." So my dear fresher civil engineers, give your life the wings it requires, and it shall find its own path. So there's a lot of misconception also that many softwares are too expensive. Tell me, how much have you spent on your education till now, and for what purpose were you spending this huge amount of money? Today you have to just get it clarified in your own mind. You have to understand that there is nothing which is free. If you're looking for free knowledge, then you cannot achieve your destiny. Invest on yourself, and that's what you have to do. Definitely you should get huge returns. My dear fresher engineers, this is the top success formula. This is a success formula which is used worldwide by every successful engineers, and they are following it. Note down the success formula right away. See, many of you also believe that you have learned some softwares in the colleges, but frankly those commands are not enough. And I've also spent some time making certain YouTube videos sharing that knowledge. See, but before we move ahead, you have to ask yourself, what top infrastructure project companies is going to hire me? Your one small mistake at an earlier conceptual level will destroy your destiny. Again, think for yourself, are you really able to design a huge project on this software command knowledge only? Please understand, learning software commands means not becoming a project engineer, and anyone can learn software commands. It is just an helping tool, and this is the point where the difference starts. That is planning a real infrastructure project. Absolutely no. Knowing only command will absolutely not give you a job in this top MNC company. Remember, you have to solve the industrial projects. If you are able to do that, then and then only they are going to hire you. Ask yourself, introspect again and again, and you shall get the answer, and you know what to do. A lot of people also have this misbelief or limiting belief, as it is called, that there are no jobs in the market. Look everywhere, and a lot of engineers are making amazing amount of money. I don't know why. You have just closed your eyes. Can't you see the whole huge infrastructure that is being built around you? Who is planning this? Are you think there is no project planning engineering work that is happening? And this is pretty hilarious. So today's industrious competition is to make iconic infrastructure projects, and the world really gets pleasure from these iconic infrastructure projects, and everyone is just competing for that. So guys, just wake up from your deep slumber, deep sleep. Wake up now. That's my request to you. Please do not make this silly mistake. Basically, many of you, what do you do? You just go for a nearby institute and learn on a cheaper rate and a non-value added course without worrying about syllabus, and you don't even care about the certification value. I don't know how engineer can commit such big mistakes. Look at the infrastructures like malls, high-rise statues of unity which is built in Gujarat. What should be the cost of this project? Guys, hello, is this becoming too long? Are you with me? We are the engineers, we are the creators of this world. Understand what knowledge areas would be required to create and build such big infrastructure projects. Yes, my dear friends, so to understand this, as simply learning in IIT and learning in your college, there is a very huge difference. If you want a job in top 100 MNC companies, then you have to choose the best of the best training institute. Okay, is it clear? Can I move ahead? Okay, now let's see which is the best of the best expert training institute, and in that institute you can create your project 50 plus project portfolio and learn industrial softwares. See, CAD Center Design Studio is one of the best training institutes for engineers. And why is it the best training institute? Listen to me very carefully. This training institute is going to train you on different 50 plus industrial projects. It showcases your expertise in software by working on industrial projects. It gives you practical knowledge about how to design these 50 plus industrial projects. And once you have the 50 plus project knowledge in your pocket, no one can stop you. It basically just boosts your confidence. This CAD Center Design Studio has best industrial syllabus to become expert in project engineers. You will be prepared to crack technical interview. This is the exact software training institute that makes you project ready engineer. And at the end of the course, you will have 50 plus industrial project portfolio in your pocket that will give you a job in a very good company. So enroll to this course to become a project engineer, and I hope you have got the complete understanding. Before I move to the next formula, see, the program that we are proposing here is a top certification course approved by the Government of India and various authorized bodies, and this is a top certificate accepted by the industry. You will see logos of NSDC, the National Skill Development Corporation, the Indian government body, and the logos of different software companies. So CAD Center is a company which is associated by all these industrial knowledge bodies. This certification course is created by a joint venture between Indian government and the various knowledge bodies of industries and the software companies. This course certifications represent exact skills that are required by the industry. This training organization have got certified professional trainers, and these are TCE exam pass. They have worked on practical tests, communication modes, behavioral skill exam, and ultimately the T3 certified trainer, that is a train to trainer program. So more talking about CAD Center Training Organization, it's a multinational company. It is located in more than 50 countries. It has got more than 1,000 outlets all across India and the globe. And I'm an active member of this organization, and we are proud to be a pioneer to introduce CAD technology in India. Since 88, in the last 32 years, we have skilled and employed more than 15 lakh engineers. We are an authorized software education institute. We are government NSDC affiliated. We are also ISO certified and MSc certified. So I want you to talk about their teaching methodology. You see, they follow the industrial teaching methodology, meaning teaching on industrial projects from the day one of the class. They have a student physical progress tracking system. So you have to sign each project you solve, and also on top of that, your trainer also give assessment remark on your project report tracking system. The trainers will make you solve each project listed in the syllabus, which is completely designed on the industrial basis. These people also have an ERP system, just like in industry. They solve your basic progress, such as whether the batch is happening on time, the course progress, course material, and the certification also. So about CAD center facilities, this company provides subsidies in tax, in softwares, and in books. These are all affordable courses, and for you to be more flexibility, part payment is also offered, and we are also associated with SBI, which can provide you loan facilities also. Continuing with this CAD center, today Design Studio is based out of 4 locations in Pune. The training facilities are classroom, online, and hybrid training. It's open on all 7 days. You can take definitely breaks during the courses with permission. And for people who request, they also provide the personal trainers with individual trainer. So these centers have huge number of customers. You can go on Google and look for all the 5-star reviews that they have got. Please check out the reviews also in different social media. You can also call on the given number that's now presented on the slide, or you can connect to the website as www.cadcenterdesignstudio.com, or follow us at hashtag cadcenterdesignstudio. Now let's talk about some few questions and answers that are frequently asked, and that is, what's the question about placement? Yes, this center definitely gives job assistance, which opens industrial doors, but it's completely your responsibility that how much you polish your own skills. Remember, if you polish your skills, then no one can stop you. It's just like the rising sun. It's just so simple. Okay, clear? Let's talk about some reality facts now. Dear engineers, fresher engineers, I know this top 100 MNC companies don't hire freshers. But guys, no need to worry at all. Just pick up a job which will pay you 12,000 to 18,000 per month and earn 1 year of experience. Listen carefully. Firstly, you will have to earn 1 year of project engineering experience, and then your entry will be open in this top MNC companies industry. Okay, is that clear? Now, the most important task is remembering. Yes, do you remember the task on the software website link? Now go to each software link and spend 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours. Note down what is this software made for. Again, I'll just repeat. Go to the software link, spend 2 hours, note down what is the software made for. What do you find? Put your search in the comment box so I can see that you are on the path of achieving your goal. Just put 10 more hours. On top 100 infrastructure projects company's website, find out and search what are they doing, what are they expert in, what kind of projects they have already completed. Okay, I know you will do that immediately. And now you know that I'm also a founder of Freshers Engineers Community, and I'm a mission that every fresher civil engineers should earn lots of money by doing top job in MNC companies. Yes, I am also on a mission of helping the engineering community. So please join and be a part of this community, and let's be united and start sharing this video link to your WhatsApp and Facebook wall to help our fresher engineers community. I know I'm trusting you that you will share this video. Signing off today. Bye to everyone who has completed the video. Myself, Kaustup Panse, and don't forget to put any comment if you have any query, and I shall definitely reply. Thank you very much.